Action 7 News.
I will not put an alleged dirty cop on the stand to convict someone. It just will not. It's not acceptable. I'll never do it. I am disgusted with the idea that we have allegations of dirty cops out there who are not showing up for court for improper purposes.
The Bernalillo County District Attorney dismissing nearly 200 DWI cases involving officers under investigation. We broke the news about claims an attorney paid officers to skip court appearances. Albuquerque police said they weren't getting notices when officers missed those court appearances.
A Target 7 investigation asked if that problem has been fixed. Here's Faith Ibuanu.
Missed court appearances, technical issues, and lost communication.
If there's any failure or problem with any of our communications back and forth, you got to know about them to fix it. And we didn't know about it.
As we dig more into who is responsible for those FTAs, failure to appear notices.
I'm getting frustrated with the back and forth, quite frankly, about whose responsibility it is. Ultimately, it's the police officers and their department's responsibility to make sure they show up for court.
6 officers now under federal investigation into the Albuquerque Police DWI unit. A Target 7 investigation revealing since 2019, 5 of them did not show up to court. 29 times on cases involving an attorney the FBI is also investigating.
How did a group of officers not show up to court 29 times for the same attorney, causing cases to be dismissed?
In the near future, that is part of what we have to correct.
A question we asked APD Chief Harold Medina since we broke the news in January.
Whose responsibility is it to notify you when an officer doesn't show up to court?
I think if you're talking about a DWI case, in general, we rely on our prosecutors to notify us about a DWI case.
A spokesperson for the department telling us they did not receive FTAs in 2023.
So in the 2023, last year, we did not receive any notifications, correct? We got some recently related to 2023, but we didn't get missed court notices during that year. That's what we're trying to figure out why that occurred.
Bernalillo County District Attorney Sam Bregman goes on to say it was an ongoing issue before appointed to office in 2023.
After this all broke, we reviewed all of our internal workings, all of our computer systems. Apparently, a computer system which did send notices over for FTAs stopped alerting or stopped sending those for some reason. They stopped alerting APD, but APD never told this office that they weren't getting those.
Hi, I'm Officer Joshua Montano.
Joshua Montano now under investigation, the 5th officer to resign just last week. In his resignation letter, Montano writing, quotes, "Officers all know that our attendance or non-attendance at court is watched over and monitored."
The allegations of being a dirty cop, whether or not FTAs or not, that is so unacceptable.
Bregman telling us the issue has now been resolved.
To APD's credit and our credit, we have some really good communications going now to make sure this doesn't happen again.
Today, APD telling us in a statement, quote, "We have been getting notifications from the DA's office, and we are investigating those instances where officers miss court." For Target 7, I'm Faith Ibuanu.
Bregman says it's not a legal obligation to notify APD when its officers are no-shows in court, but due to problems in the past, they now notify the department in real time.